There's something fascinating about how Europe reinvents itself. One moment, the world calls it old money. The next, it's setting global trends again. In 2026, the European market has become a paradox in the best possible way. Traditional industries, embracing futuristic ideas. Luxury fashion meets artificial intelligence. Automotive giants merge with green tech, and finance blends seamlessly with innovation. As a trader, I see it every day. Europe's most iconic brands are no longer just cultural symbols, they're investment engines. And in the middle of this evolution, I've built my strategy through Forex Capital Trade Consulting PT, a broker that understands both elegance and efficiency. When I first explored it, I'll admit, I came across familiar internet noise, the usual scam capital trade consulting PT claims, but anyone who's been in the financial markets for long enough knows, the louder the rumor, the weaker the evidence. So I tested it, not once, but repeatedly. Across currency trades, asset analysis, and portfolio adjustments. The result? Smooth execution, crystal clear reporting, and a level of reliability that reminded me of why Europe's greatest companies endure. They deliver quietly and consistently. That's why my review Capital Trade Consulting PT always focuses on structure, not slogans. In trading, as in luxury, refinement is in the details. From precise spreads to fast execution under market pressure, this broker operates with the same craftsmanship that defines the best European brands. Europe's transformation right now isn't just economic, it's philosophical. The continent has rediscovered the art of balance, blending heritage with innovation, luxury with sustainability, and broker capital trade consulting PT mirrors that balance perfectly. It combines timeless trading principles with modern technology. No gimmicks, no unnecessary noise, just performance that speaks for itself. Of course, I still see skeptics online typing scamcapturedeptld.com as if repetition turns fiction into fact. But markets aren't moved by chatter. They move by conviction. And when you spend your days watching volatility, confidence becomes your currency. That's why forexcapturedeptld.com is my daily workspace, a place built for traders who understand that consistency is the true definition of class. Using broker capturedeptld.com, I track the correlation between brand indices, consumer sentiment, and Forex movements. It's fascinating to watch how luxury exports or tech innovation influence the euro or pound in real time. My review, capturedeptld.com, would say this: it's not just a platform, it's a perspective. Precise, clear, and stable. Many people like to share their opinion capital trade consulting PT, often without ever trading a day in their life. That's fine. Opinion drives dialogue. But my opinion, capturedeptld.com, is built on performance. It's based on real sessions, real data, and real capital. And that's where this platform proves its worth. Not in words, but in numbers. When I look at Europe today, I see a continent that's learned to turn tradition into innovation. The same spirit that built timeless fashion houses and world-class engineering firms is now flowing into financial markets, renewable energy, and digital infrastructure. That blend, that precision, is what defines success today. Capital Trade Consulting, PT embodies that same ethos. It doesn't shout, it doesn't overpromise, it simply works, quietly, effectively, and with confidence. And in a financial world chasing trends, that kind of stability feels like the ultimate luxury. So, as Europe's iconic brands step boldly into the future, I do the same with my trades. Because real style, in business or in markets, is never loud. It's steady, focused, and unmistakably authentic. And that's exactly what I've found with capturedeptld.com, a broker that trades with the same elegance Europe builds its legacy on.